Hello, my name is Yolanda Hermosillo, and I create this worksheet. It's about a cleaning company. I didn't put the name on it, but I used to have a housekeeping company, and I have been thinking on creating an app so we can manage the clients and how to send it to my helpers and so they can handle this app. So that should be this is being a great tool that helped me to develop this dream that I have. And I put the name of the client, the phone number, ficticio, and the day of the week. And I put Friday 1 and Friday 2 because it's going to be a different Friday in the month. And I have that kind of cleaning, how often, the timing, and the helpers. And I create this pivot table and with my clients, and like Saturday, Tuesday, and the filter put it in ascendant A to C. But I create these sliders. I put my helper. So if I says what houses is Aida cleaning, and I put the filter, it show me the houses that Aida will clean. Like here. She will be cleaning Miss Carson on Wednesdays, Errol on Friday, and Molly on Tuesday. Also Waze Monday and Friday. And then Dolores, she will clean these 3 houses. And Imelda will clean these houses. You see? And Laura and Maria and Tanya. But I'm gonna clean the filter. And if I wanna know by name of the clients, I will see when we're going to clean Amala's house, Saturday the 2nd at 12 p.m. And Amanda and Betty and his, I will create later on a slide. So tell me how often is the cleaning and what days of the month, but I did it this time. And you see Miss Betty is the first Thursday at 9 a.m. And we see Miss Betty is every 2 weeks. So we're going the first and the third Tuesday. And Miss Carson, and you see, I'm gonna clear out this filter and I wanna see the days of the week. If I go in Wednesday, on Wednesday for Aida, I have the Carson. You see, on Thursday, I have McKeever. And Friday, I have Olivia. And this other Friday, I have Errol. And Miss Gloria, the Friday the 2nd. So on and so on. The first Saturday, we will have Carquera and Tammy. I think it's Dolores who's gonna clean that. The second Saturday is Amala and Maya. See, there's different timings. I will work on that, but I want to show you this data and clear out the filters. And this is what I create. I am so grateful for having this tool. So I hope this helped you. And thank you. Thank you for watching.